Hey guys, this is Estec again, and today we're gonna review this blue tractor. It's Iseki Sial 19, which means it has 19 horsepower, and it's like the best tractor. I mean, like in the best condition so far, the ones we reviewed. It also has a 3-cylinder diesel engine. It has power steering. It has all-wheel drive in it. So let's take a look. Let's walk around. First, I want to open the hood. Oh, I forgot to mention the price. So it cost $3,200 for our client, and it's 1998 year. So engine bay, everything is nice and clean. I mean, there is some dirt, but no leakage, no water leaks, no oil leaks. Yeah, so in good condition. What else? What's next? When we look at this tractor from outside, we can see the paint and all the rubber and the plastic is in so nice condition. You know, I can't even believe it's 1998. So it's like almost 24 years old, right? Yeah, and the tires are in good condition. I think it was like washed after every usage and kept in a shade somewhere in a garage. Okay guys, let's start the engine. That's a clutch pedal. You have to press it first. Okay, starts easily. So okay, let's look around driver's seat. So the gauge cluster, we have a speedometer, fuel and temperature here. Light controls. This is for like a gas lever. See? Engine speed goes up. What else? Transmission levers, like three speeds front and one back. This multiplicator 1, 2, and PTO also has 3 speeds, 1, 2, and 3. So here we got for the tiller, the lever. Regulates the depth and the position. This is our tiller. It's 1.2 meter. So that's about it. So it's I think it's like a very simple tractor. It doesn't have any electronic controls or anything like that. No auto levering. So we put in a second gear and first, and this small pedal here, that's an axle, gas pedal. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's check the back here. First, no problem. Okay, so let's check the blades. Blades are in good condition still. They still have paint on them, not very rusty. Yeah, so Rotary is also in good condition as the tractor overall. Okay, so that's about it for today for this Iseki. So if you guys want a tractor like this or a similar one,